What if I told you the animation playing on your screen right now took me less than a 10-minute and cost me nothing? No studio, no animator, no editing skills, just one free AI tool, and right now this paper cut style is one of the fastest growing formats on YouTube. Channels like Vox, 12.7 million subscribers, videos pulling 20, 30, even 60 million views, earning an estimated 30Ks a month. Viewers don't just click these videos, they finish them. That's why the algorithm keeps pushing them. Here's the part that should get you excited. 2 years ago, this style needed a full animation team and a serious budget. Today, a complete beginner can recreate it from a laptop, free, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how. I'm giving you everything. The script method, the paper style visuals, the animation trick, every tool, every prompt, step by step. But pay attention, because near the end, there's one tiny adjustment that decides whether your animation looks like cheap AI or handcrafted art. I learned it the hard way after 3 failed videos. Miss it and nothing else matters. Let's start. Alright, step 1. Everything starts with 3 prompts I've already built for you, and getting them is simple. Just type the word prompt in the comments, and I'll send you the link to a Google Doc with all 3 inside. No tricks, no paywall, no sign up, 3 prompts, and they do all the heavy lifting for this entire video. Prompt number 1 is for viral topic ideas. Open the doc, copy the first prompt, then head over to Claude AI, paste it in, hit generate, and just like that, Claude hands you 20 viral topic ideas built for this paper animation style. Pick whichever one grabs you, or use your own idea if you already have one. I'm going with topic number 3. Now we turn that topic into a full script. Go back to the Google Doc and copy prompt number 2. Paste it into Claude, and you'll see a line that says paste your chosen title here. Drop your topic right there. Then set your target video length, whatever you want, hit generate, and watch this. My complete 10 to 15 minute script is ready in seconds. One thing before you move on, and this matters, copy that script into a fresh Google Doc and strip out every unwanted part, the labels, the extra notes, anything that isn't pure spoken script. A clean script now saves you a headache later. Because in the next step, this script is about to turn into actual papercraft visuals, and this is where it gets good. Your script is clean, now for the part you clicked for, turning plain text into paper cut animation. Copy prompt number 3 from the Google Doc, the whole thing, top to bottom, and head back to Claude AI. But here's the key, open a brand new chat. Don't paste it into the same chat where you generated your script. A fresh chat keeps Claude focused on one job only, and that small move alone gives you way better results. Paste prompt number 3 into the new chat and hit generate. Now watch what Claude does. It replies asking for one thing, a paragraph from your script. That's the whole system. You feed it your script one paragraph at a time, and it builds your animation piece by piece. So go to your Google Doc, copy your first short paragraph, drop it into that Claude chat, and hit generate. And this is where it gets good. Claude instantly hands you 2 things. On top, a detailed image prompt describing the exact paper cut scene for that paragraph, the layers, the colors, the pop-up book depth, and right below it, a video prompt built to bring that same image to life as animation. Now let's turn those prompts into actual images. And it won't cost you a single dollar. We're using Google Flow, and it's 100% free. If Flow isn't available in your country, don't worry. I've dropped a free alternative in the description that works the exact same way. Open Google Flow and click New Project. Now, before you paste anything, hit the Settings button. This part matters. It'll be set to video by default. Switch it to image, then set your aspect ratio to 16:9 for YouTube. Choose how many images you want per generation, and pick any image model you like. Get these settings wrong, and your whole animation looks off, so take the 10 seconds. Now paste your first image prompt from Claude and hit generate. Boom! 2 versions of your paper cut scene, ready in seconds. Look at that layered depth. You just pick the best one, that's the frame we'll animate. From here, it's a simple loop. Go back to your Google Doc, copy your next paragraph, drop it into Claude, and it hands you a fresh image prompt and video prompt. Copy the image prompt, paste it into Flow, generate. Next paragraph, same thing. Paragraph by paragraph, scene by scene, until every line of your script has its own paper cut image. It moves fast. I knocked out my entire set of images in just a few minutes, but still images don't go viral, motion does. So next we take every one of these frames and bring them to life, and this is where your video starts looking like a real pop-up book. All your images are ready, now the magic part, turning them into moving paper cut animation. First, download every image one by one, because we're about to feed them right back into Flow. Head to Flow's main interface and start a new project. Open Settings again, but this time, instead of image, select video. Keep the aspect ratio 16:9, choose the video model, and set the duration to around 10 seconds per clip. Now click the plus icon, hit Upload Media, and upload all the images you just downloaded. Here's how the cycle works. Add your first image to the prompt box. Then jump back to your Claude chat. Remember, under every image prompt, Claude also gave you a matching video prompt. Find the video prompt that belongs to that exact image, copy it, paste it into Flow, and hit Generate. And watch this. Your flat paper cut image starts moving like a real pop-up book. Layers lifting, pieces sliding, that handcrafted paper feel. It's honestly insane the first time you see it. Now just repeat the loop. Next image in, matching video prompt, generate. One by one, every scene comes alive. But there's one problem, and this is the thing that quietly kills these videos. Every clip comes out with a watermark, and uploading watermarked footage can flop your whole video. The fix takes 2 minutes. I've broken down the exact watermark removal method in a previous video, and the link is sitting in the description. Use it, download every clip clean, and your full animation is ready. Now your video can move, but it still can't speak. Next, we give it a voice. And the tool we're using sounds so human, most people can't tell the difference. Your animation is moving. Now let's make it talk. For the voiceover, we're using ElevenLabs, completely free, link in the description. Open it up, click the text-to-speech option, and paste your script into the box. On the right side, you'll see a whole library of AI voices. Pick whichever fits your style, they all sound scarily human. Hit Generate, listen to it once, then click Download. Your voiceover is now sitting on your device. Now the final step, editing. And this is where all those separate pieces snap together into one video. Hit Import and bring in every clip plus your voiceover. First thing, drag the voiceover onto the timeline. That's your foundation. The clips will follow the voice, not the other way around. Now start placing your clips on top, one by one. But here's where most people mess up. Play each clip as you add it. If the clip has its own audio fighting your voiceover, click the clip, open the audio option on the right, and drop the volume by -20. Or just mute it completely. Do that for every noisy clip, and suddenly your voiceover sits clean on top of the animation. From there, make it yours. Add transitions between scenes, drop in effects, and use CapCut's auto captions so viewers can follow even on mute. Real quick, if this video is helping you, hit subscribe. It genuinely helps the channel. Once everything looks right, hit export, and your finished paper cut animation lands on your device, ready to upload. And that's the entire workflow, from a blank page to a full paper animation, without spending a single dollar. Every tool I used is linked in the description. Now, the moment you've been waiting for. Let's watch the final result together.
Right now, there are over 10,000 planes in the sky. Look at Asia. It's covered. Except here. A hole in the sky the size of Western Europe. Almost no commercial flights cross it. Airlines will burn extra fuel, add an hour to your trip, and fly hundreds of miles out of their way just to go around it. And the reason has nothing to do with politics. You've probably seen this empty zone yourself on the seatback map and never thought twice. Planes fly over the Pacific Ocean, over the North Pole, over active war zones with permission. So why not here? Here's the twist. Modern jets cruise at 35,000 feet. Mount Everest tops out at 29,032. Planes can clear these mountains with more than a mile to spare. So the mountains aren't the problem. The problem is, what happens if anything goes wrong? Every commercial jet you've ever flown on is a pressurized bubble. Outside the window at cruising altitude, the air